This video is just going to show you the new kit that Metra makes for radio replacement in the Cadillac CTS SRX. So the older, 2009, 10, 11, 12 that don't have really cool Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or something allows you to install a double-din radio into its location. So it gives you better connectivity. The kit costs about $250. Generally, the installation with radio and everything usually comes out to about $300. And then if you want to add a stereo or satellite radio, or stereo system to it, or satellite radio, that would have an additional cost. But it's a pretty cool kit. There's an interface that allows the door chimes and everything to work. Steering wheel, you add a ASWC steering wheel control adapter, and you've got a really cool new radio in a Cadillac. This is Skip Fitch from Street Noise Customs. Come on down today and check out the new installation kits for the Cadillac cars.